When you receive a replacement instrument from the AirMet iNet Fulfilment Team, the package will include your replacement instrument, a return satchel for the prompt return of the faulty instrument, and an instruction sheet. The instructions include the serial number of the replacement instrument that you have received, the serial number of the instrument to be returned, and further support details. If you are ever unsure of which instruments are needing to be returned to the iNet Fulfilment Team, iNet Exchange customers can easily check this by referring to the list of equipment that needs to be returned to ISC page on iNet Control. There are two ways to navigate to this page on iNet Control. The first is via the iNet Control homepage. You will see a notification if you do have equipment to be returned. Otherwise, this notification will not appear. The second is by navigating to the equipment list by using the Equipment tab on the top navigation bar or through the Equipment button on the home screen. In the Equipment List page, click on the More Options icon and select View Equipment that needs to be returned to ISC. This page will show you the list of equipment that still needs to be returned, as well as the serial number of the unit it was replaced with. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.